guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I am going to be showing you guys how you can add transitions in CapCut. So I just have a bunch of pictures, and if you just press on this line right here, the line between these two pictures, it'll basically show some transitions. You have basic, camera, social media, MG slide, effect, mask, etc. And you're just going to choose from the transitions which one you want. For instance, I want to use this gradient wipe. Oh, apparently I have no internet connection. Let me just enable that first. I forgot to enable the internet connection. Just going to go to camera actually, and then choose sort of a transition that you want, and then you can also change the duration of the transition, and I'm just going to press the check mark button. But if you want to apply to all, you're just going to press apply to all, and it's going to apply the transition to all of your clips so you don't have to do it one by one. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!